Welcome to the Chapter 1 AI Project Lifecycle Master Quiz. Test your knowledge as we go through these questions. Feel free to pause the video on each question slide, and then we will review the correct answers together. Here are 5 questions to test your understanding of the AI Project Lifecycle. Take a moment to think about each one. Let's review the answers. AI learns from data, not magic. In spam detection, the goal is identifying spam emails. Defining the problem is the first stage. With 8 out of 10 correct predictions, the accuracy is 80%, and models improve as they receive more data. Now let's try some fill-in-the-blank questions. Take 5 seconds to consider what words complete these sentences. Here are the completed sentences. AI learns by finding patterns in data, following a project cycle. Spam emails often contain suspicious words. After testing, we improve the system, and remember, AI cannot work without data. Let's test your conceptual knowledge. How does AI learn? Why is defining the problem important? And what happens during the testing stage? Pause the video to think about these. AI learns by analyzing data and finding patterns to make predictions. Defining the problem is vital because it guides what needs to be solved and informs data collection. Finally, testing involves checking the model with new data to measure performance. Moving on to these 2 questions. What is meant by accuracy in AI? And can you provide a real-life example of an AI project? Accuracy refers to how correctly an AI predicts results, such as getting 8 out of 10 cases correct for 80% accuracy. A classic real-life example is an email spam detection system. Imagine you are building an AI system to detect fake news. How would you fill out these 4 stages of the project lifecycle? To build a fake news detector, you first define the problem. Next, collect real and fake news examples. Then, test if the AI correctly identifies them. And finally, add more data to improve your accuracy. Consider these learned patterns for an on-time delivery. Based on this, can you predict the final status for these 2 orders? Order 5 matches the patterns for a successful delivery, so it is on time. Order 6 fails multiple criteria, such as distance and traffic, resulting in a late prediction. Thanks for completing this quiz. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more educational content like this.